I'm Nikki from Fine & Country, and I'm here today in this highly sought after part of Kenilworth to show you around this beautiful 4-bedroom detached family home. Let's take a look. The current owners have been here for over 20 years and have lovingly modernised both the inside and the outside. There is a wonderful combination of both original and traditional features with a tasteful finish. This property offers 4 double bedrooms with plenty of potential for further living space if required. I hope you enjoyed the video tour. You join me in the beautiful south-facing garden. If you would like more information of this stunning property, please contact us with the details that will follow.